Hello, welcome to Wellness Wednesdays with your own Dr. Devika Deshmukh. Today, we are going to learn about Majja Dhatu. When we say Majja, in Marathi, Majja means fun. And yes, it is a fun Dhatu. Among the Sapta Dhatus that we have, it is the second last Dhatu that actually forms the core of your strength. It forms the core of your immunity. It forms the core of your well-being and also forms the core of your reproductive system. Imagine a tree which has a steady bark and beautiful leaves. What if the inside of the bark, which we call as the heart of the bark, goes dead or is not nourished properly? Will the tree grow? Will the branches and leaves be red or green or have their own color? No. Similarly with the bones. The inside stuff is important. An interesting fact about this Majja Dhatu, that means bone marrow, is that it is also composed of the brain tissue. So when we say Mastishtha is your head and your brain, and Majja is the grey matter, is the matter that actually makes it function in the right pattern, in the right way. So when your nervous system or central nervous system is affected, your spine is affected, your brain and spine, both of them need to be looked and treated equally. And that is why the bone marrow also is similar to the components of the brain that we have. And that is how we are all aligned, and that is how our CNS, our skeletal system and every other functions of our body are intertwined to work in a way that they synchronize to make us work properly. Also, a very good point to understand is that if you want to have a good seminal fluid, or if you want to have the good eggs in the ovary, or your fertility to improve, then your bone marrow or Majja Dhatu needs to be super tuned and super fine, because that is the raw material that will provide the necessary things to go into the Shukra Dhatu, that is the next Dhatu coming up next, in order to produce the right reproductive juices or the right reproductive materials for a healthy fetus or the baby. And that is why in Ayurveda we say that Uttar Dhatu, that means one Dhatu will nourish the other, that will nourish the other. And that is why when we come to fertility, we see to it that the chain from the Rasa to the Shukra is properly channelized and is properly nourished to have a beautiful baby. That is it for today about the Majja Dhatu. If there are any questions, feel free to ask in the DM over here or in the comments below. Also, the therapies that will strengthen your bone marrow are Basti, Abhyangam, Potli therapies, Shirodhara, depending on what's going on with you. Kati Basti, if it is centralized or located towards your spine or the back. So depending on what is going on with you, the Panchakarma therapies will differ. But it will always be a combination of your Ahar, that means your diet, your Vihar, that means your activity, the sleep patterns and all the medicines internally given in order to provide nourishment or cleansing of the Majja Dhatu, and externally given to strengthen the Majja Dhatu. That is it for today. See you next week with the last Dhatu in row, Shukra Dhatu. Till then, take care. Bye.